Hey guys, Adrian here, Kid Guru, and I get a lot of requests for my screensaver and a little bit about my customization on my Mac and my Windows machine in terms of the screensaver I use. Whether they've seen it from the live stream, or I actually haven't been live streaming a lot lately, but I got some emails. I want to know the screensaver. You know what? If it's like cross-platform because I was running on the Mac, and it's called Electric Sheep. I think I shared this a long time ago in the past, but it works for Windows, works for Linux, works for Mac OS 10, and it is a great screensaver. It's not really a program. Yeah, I guess it is a program, but it's a project as well. It's something called Electric Sheep, and it's a program that is recommended only for if you have high bandwidth and always on connection. This is because it takes artwork that a lot of people have done and collaborated on, and it downloads it. So it's a constant downloading. What do you call that? Screensaver type thing. But anyways, if you go into the about, you can read more about the project here. It's a really popular project. You may have seen people wearing the T-shirts or supporting it or anything like that. Electric Sheep, it says here, is a collaborative effort, collaborative abstract artwork founded by Scott Draves. It's ran by thousands of people all over the world, and it can be installed on any PC running Mac, Linux, or Windows. When computers sleep, the Electric Sheep comes on, and the computers communicate with each other by means of internet. So you're kind of connecting, over the network to share the works of creating and morphing abstract animations, which are known as sheep, and that's why they call it the Electric Sheep because it looks like electricity and stuff like that. Electric Sheep comes on and the computers communicate with each other by the internet, share the work. Oh, sorry, I just read that. The result is a collective Android dream, is what they refer to it as. And anyone watching one of these computers may vote for the favorite animations using the keyboard. So it's really cool. It's kind of interactive, and it just makes it having an idle machine look really nice, especially if it's at night or something like that. Again, recommended if you have high bandwidth and always on connection, so because it is going to be downloading. You can set the limits, but anyways, with that, I'm going to go ahead and open up system preferences here. This would be about the same on a Windows machine. You would just right click, go to properties, and go to screensavers. I'm going to just do this on the Mac here, system preferences, desktop, and screensaver. This is Electric Sheep. You'll see it in your other section, and you can see here a preview of the sheep I have running right now. Looks really cool, kind of like a trippy color effect. But anyways, you go into options here if you click it, and you can set a couple things. You can do a whole bunch of video settings if you want to do that, running at 15 frames per second, 30 frames per second, however you want it to do. This is on a MacBook, so I'm leaving it at 15. You can avoid sheep played more often if you don't want the same one playing often, or if you never want it playing often, then it's up to you. Display mode, piecewise cubic, that's the default one. Now some other major settings you want to check out. Network, this allows you to connect via Drupal or using a proxy. And if you go into general, you can limit how many in terms of megabytes you want to be downloaded, unless you want unlimited size. So if you have like a high bandwidth, no cap or anything like that, you can have unlimited, so it downloads animations nonstop. Or you can set it to a limit so it only downloads a certain amount. I think it's per I'm not sure if it's per day, maybe per day. It just lets the cache size maybe go up to that amount, and maybe it clears it out and starts downloading again. Render animations keep rendered frames, and you can have a content folder, so you can go in here and look at all the Electric Sheeps that are downloaded. And again, you can vote for your favorite ones using the keyboard. I believe the up and down keyboard buttons allow you to do that, to view or to vote on your favorite screensaver. Anyways, guys, this is a really awesome screensaver, again, for cross-platform machines. Check it out at electricsheep.org. It's a great project, and yeah, again, it's cross-platform. So I hope that answers your question, guys. Don't forget to email us at digitaldojos@gmail.com. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.